Hey lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. In today's hair tutorial, I'm going to be walking you through on how to style easy hairstyle for your child. Are you that mom that is very busy and you're looking for an easy hairstyle to style for your child, or you like to style easy hairstyle for your child? So watch this video till the end while I walk you through on how to style this rubber band hairstyle. You don't need extra hair, you don't need needle, no thread, just rubber band and your L gel or edge control. So let's get started. Let me walk you through on how to do it. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video. Thank you. All right, are you ready? Come, let's get started. So after moisturizing the hair, I sprayed it. I really added a lot of moisturizer, and I'm going to section it from, I start from front, I'm going to end it exactly back of our ears. So that's why I'm going to be ending it. So this is the hair styling gel that I'm going to be using, but I will be using hair control to clear the part. But to apply on the hair, I'll be using styling gel. That styling gel, guys, is optional. You can decide to use edge control for everything. So I just decide to give this one a try. Like, I don't want to apply much edge control on her hair. So what I did, after I packed the first one, the second one, before you take it there, you have to roll it. So this is the reason why I applied hair gel to it, so that I can get that smoothy hair that I want. Sorry about the noise, guys. My baby is right here with me. I'm going to be doing this side just the same way I did the first part. So it's going to be also into 4. I'm going to line it into 4. And what I'm applying now is hair gel. After that, I will start lining it one after the other. The same thing I did this side, just the way I did the other side. So, and the what I want to say is, if you like your child to have much hair in the middle, because for my daughter I use her natural hair, if you want your child hair to be a kind of more there, you can add kicking coil to it. If your child hair is not dark color like my daughter, you can add color 3 with any hair you are adding, because my daughter hair is kind of brown, and maybe sometimes when I want to just add the hair that I want to match with their hair color, I use color 3, all right, or color 4. So after that, I twist it, and the reason why it's like this is because I use moisturizer, I spray it, and with the hair gel, so that's why you see it's like that. So after that, I just apply hair control on the hair. So my daughter kind of hairstyle and hair texture, you see, if you look at the hair now, you see kind of coily hair. So she have this coily hair texture. So no matter how you do it, you can hardly see that it will not be smooth. Unlike her siblings, their hair is always smooth, but her hair texture is just like this. So after this, I pack it. I had this one to eat, I had the other one to eat. So first I used rubber band to hold it. I used rubber band twice to hold it. Then after that, I put this hair something and this black hair stuff, to just put around the hair. Then I comb the hair, I spread the hair on it, and I use hair packer to hold the hair down of that thing. So that is it. This is just the way the style goes. So if it happens that you are adding anything to it, pack it the same way, you get the same style you are looking for. So I hope this hairstyle, you find it very easy and you find it useful, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up if you like the video I just showed now, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you so much. Please, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram at Susan Gold, Susan's Family, Susan LG. All right, thank you so much, and I really appreciate you all. May God bless you all, both my new and my old subscribers. So this thing now that I'm adding to it now is optional. You can add whatever you like to add to it. So she needed something very like, mommy, I wanted this, because I've used it for her before on her birthday. and she wanted it. So after I do everything, I just use it to round it for her. Like, it really brought out the beauty of the hair though, I won't lie. So what you put there is optional. You can either use hair packer to finish it. Maybe you can just put 2 or 3 hair packer together, the one that has something, or use bow, hair bow, anything that you just feel like it will be okay for you. Just use it. So thank you so much. Bye for now.